Now we will continue our basic part of Python by explaining the Python conditions. In particular, we begin with the if statement. So the if statement is very important and very crucial for our code. So it's important that you understand it. Let's copy this part of the statement. Let's place it here. Okay. So I wrote a variable a equal to 200, a variable b equal to 33, and I place, okay, if b is more than a, print this, otherwise print this. So I run, and you see that b is not greater than a. Okay. Here I can place also another condition. For example, if a is more than 100. So I want that b is more than a and that a is more than 100, but I cannot write in this way. So also this way is not fine for Python. I have to write with the AND keyword. Here you see this if and else in different colors because they are Python keywords, so they are highlighted in different colors. Okay, so now let's see what happens. It always shows this other condition. Okay, what you notice is the indentation. Python is indentation based, so it's important that in order to define a correct flow, you write the statements based on a correct indentation. So for example, here you have to write this statement right from this part because this belongs to the if statement. So you have to write in the right way. Okay, let's try to compile like this. You see that in this case, if you write the print in this position, you will find an indentation error. So you have to write in this condition, in this position. You see that now it works. You can write with whatever location you want. The important is that you write on the right location with respect to the parent statement, So you can write also here, doesn't matter, it works the same. But if you write the statement in this condition, it will not work. After the if and after the conditions, you see also double dots. So after you finish to write your conditions, you have to place a double dot, both for if and else, and then you have to write your statement down. Okay, so now for example, I invert this condition. And you see that this time b is greater than a because both this condition and these conditions are verified at the same time. Okay, for example, if you write an OR instead of an AND, let's change the string, condition 1 met. Let's see what happens. Here you see that you enter in this statement, because even if it's not true that b is greater than a, it's true that a is more than 100. So this condition is verified, this if is verified, and I enter here. Okay guys, so thank you for your attention and see you next time.